Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorix. In this video, we are going to see how to install WordPress locally on your system. So let's get started. To install WordPress on your local machine, you need a Apache server and a PHP server like XAMPP. XAMPP stands for Windows Apache MySQL PHP, and there are more softwares like XAMPP, like XAMPP, and for Mac you can use XAMPP, which stands for Mac Apache MySQL PHP. So let's get started. So open Google Chrome and go to google.com and type in XAMPP. You can see the first link, download XAMPP. Click on that, and it has the versions listed. You can download the latest version. You can download 7.3.1. so we have XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux, XAMPP for OS X, that is Mac OS, is available. So I am clicking on download on 7.3.1 version. Okay, you can see it is downloading here. So let's open this, opening in 4 seconds. Okay, so see, this is a warning because an activated user account control UAC on your system. So it is installed or is enabled. So with UAC, please avoid to install XAMPP on program files 86 or deactivate UAC with msconfig after the setup. Okay, so I will show you how to do this. So click on next, check all that and click next. Now you should select a folder. So if you have UAC activated in your system, it cannot be installed. So click on this button and you can go to another drive where you can install XAMPP, but I'm going to show you how to get rid of that settings, the UAC settings. Click next. Folder is not empty. Okay, so I think there are some files in the folder. So now, okay, I'm gonna click delete. Okay, now yes, uncheck this, click on next. Okay, now the XAMPP is installing. Meanwhile, go to Google and type in WordPress. Here you can see you have to click on wordpress.org to download the WordPress, not wordpress.com. You should click on wordpress.org. So I'm clicking wordpress.org. Priceless and also free. Yeah, so you can see WordPress almost powers 32% of the web. Wow. So download WordPress is not set. Okay, you're going to click on download WordPress 5.0.3 and it is downloading. Check on the status. There's unpacking files. Okay, I'll be back when the installation of XAMPP is completed. Okay, I think the installation is about to complete. Oops. Okay, so okay, yeah, no problem. Okay, so it says that do you want to start the control panel now? You just leave it as checked and finish, and choose a language. I'm going to choose English. Save. Okay, so click on that and see the control panel. For Apache, click on start, and for MySQL, click on start. So you see the green background means that there is no problem, everything is working fine. So if you get any warning, then there might be a problem on starting this. Okay, let's check whether the XAMPP is installed successfully or not. Go to localhost. Yeah, you can see the dashboard of the XAMPP appears. Okay, now let's go to WordPress. Click on show in folder and right click extract all. Okay, it is completed. You can see a folder called WordPress. So what you have to do is copy, and I'll show you from the first. Go to C, check for XAMPP folder, and you have to check for HD docs, and you have to paste it here. Okay, it is done. So you can rename this folder whatever you want. So for this demo purpose, I will leave it as WordPress. So now we can go to localhost/WordPress, and yes, the WordPress setup is appearing. So if you change the folder name, for example, I'm going to change it as TutorX, then you can go, yes, it is TutorX. Okay, so that's the use of this folder name. So now we have to configure it. So click on XAMPP control panel, and on MySQL you can see a button called admin. Click on admin. So it will take you to localhost/phpMyAdmin. In that you have to click on databases and create a database name. So I'm going to create as TutorX, create. Okay, so that's it. You don't need to create tables. WordPress will automatically create tables for you. So now come to the URL like localhost/TutorX and select your language. Click on continue, and it says that you need these details. So we have created a database name, we have a database username, password, host. Click on let's go. On database name you should type TutorX. You can type whatever you want, whatever you have created. Username, the default is root, and password is, there is no password. Table prefix, you can leave it as WP if you want, or you can change it. Okay, and click on submit. Okay, all right, Sparky. So I have made it through the installation part. So now click on run the installation. Okay, now the site title TutorX, username admin, password admin, email tutorx@gmail.com, and this is a local site, so not a problem to check out this. Check this, no, not a uncheck this, sorry. Install WordPress, and yes, success, WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. The username is admin and the password is your chosen password. You have chosen as admin, and click on login. You can see admin. Yes, we have installed WordPress on our local computer or PC. So you can see this is the new theme. See, there is a couple of pages, sample pages. So thank you for watching this part 1 tutorial. There is going to be a part 2 tomorrow on how to configure WordPress and create a WordPress website. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe to TutorX.